Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Ulefone Armor X7 Pro, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. One of the best themes is the standard theme I have located on the third place in my tab. Why? Why standard theme I have located in the top? Because it's light, it's native, and it works good on this device. We have a device with low RAM, as you can know, and launchers sometimes consuming a lot of RAM, and because of it, it's making our device slower, and we don't need this result. We need to make our device faster, or just leave on the same level as we had. So we need to find light launchers for this device, light themes. So on the second place in my top is Niagara launcher. So just find it, Niagara launcher. Niagara launcher is very light theme, and it's very clean, it's very fresh, as you can see in the launcher's name. So find it, and click open. Click agree and continue. And cool, so here we can see all our applications we can locate on the home screen. So find it and click OK. As you can see here, my home screen, and here is my apps menu. For example, I want to find the Play Store. I just tap my finger on the alphabetical line and scrolling it to P button, and cool, here I have the Play Store. I want to find the photos, so move it to P. Photos is here, YouTube is here, I don't know, calendar is here. So it's very easy to use, as you can see, and it's very cool. That's it. This was the second theme in my top, and on the first place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. Just find it and click install. Wait a while. Then click open. Cool, so now click get started. I agree, confirm, continue, low. Confirm. Go back. And cool. And why this launcher is too good? So firstly, it's beautiful. Secondly, it's beautiful, and thirdly, it's beautiful. So it's very beautiful launcher, and Smart Launcher can need to organize your apps. No thanks, I want to use normal app drawer. So it's very great. Why? Because it's beautiful. As you can see, it's very beautiful. It have beautiful icons. It draws all icons, as you can see. Here we have news. Here I have search with my contacts, files, like iPhone search normal. And here we have the wallpaper gallery. It's one of the best wallpapers gallery ever. For example, I want to install this planet wallpaper, and by clicking just apply and confirm, I can install one of the best wallpaper on my background, and it works, as you can see. So this launcher is beautiful, this launcher is fast, it's clean, and why this launcher can't be on the first place. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.